In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a poll on Facebook. So if you want to create a poll or make a poll on Facebook, this video is going to walk you through. With this, you can create a poll on your Facebook group easily without stress. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to create a poll on Facebook, the first thing you want to do is open the Facebook app on your device and click on the profile icon at the top right. So if you're using iPhone, you just need to click on the profile icon at the bottom right here. Then once you click on that, scroll down and click on groups. Now click on the group where you want to leave the pool. To see your groups, just click on your groups. Here you see all your groups or the groups you belong to on Facebook. Then click on the Facebook group where you want to leave or create a pool. Then click on this. Now tap write something. Once you tap that, then where you see create public post, just scroll down and click on pool. Then once you selected pool, then you should see a page where this is the pool. You can see the pool options and then the settings. This is option 1. What is the option 1? Let's say yes. Then option 2, let's say no. Then when you use option 3, I don't know. Then you can keep increasing the option. And then under settings, come down to allow member to add options, disable this. Then allow people to choose multiple options, disable this as well. Now the next thing you want to do here is click on done. Now come to ask question and ask your question. So this is a YouTube group, and I can now say, is YouTube profitable? Profitable. Then once I ask the question, all I just need to do here now is click on post. You can also post your poll anonymously on the group, but here just go ahead. I'm going to choose anonymous. Got it? Then click on post. Once you hit the post button, then come down here and you should see the poll you created. So that's is YouTube profitable. This is the poll I created. Then if I choose yes, then I'm going to see the poll result. So that is how you can easily create poll on Facebook. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.